traditional ruler of the Ikate-Elegushi Kingdom, Saheed Ademola has declared a 3-day Orò rite on non-indigenes and women from midnight to 5:30 a.m., including on Saturday's governorship and state assembly election day. In a memo issued to the residents of Ikate-Elegushi, the monarch announced that there would be a restriction of movement to perform the Orò rite in the community from Wednesday to Saturday. Orò Festival is an event celebrated by towns and settlements of Yoruba origin. It is an annual traditional festival that is of patriarchal nature, as it is only celebrated by male descendants who are paternal natives to the specific locations where the particular event is taking place. Residents of the community alleged there is a political motive for the curfew which will further disenfranchise women and non-indigenes from voting on election day. Others complained that it would paralyze commercial activities in the community. Temitope Oifair, the Special Assistant on Media Affairs to the Ikate Kingdom's monarch, confirmed that an Orò rite is happening in the kingdom. So, the Elegushi Community Council decided that residents and visitors should be in their houses from midnight to morning on Wednesday to Saturday. Mr. Oifair debunked the allegation that it will affect election activities on Saturday, declaring, "We are not saying people should sit at home during the day like they have in other places." He added, "Elections are held during the day, and by morning we will open the roads for people to come. It is a traditional rite. But unfortunately, it has come at this time. It is an annual event, and this is not the first time. We are not disrupting any process." According to him, the Orò rite will bring peace to the community, adding that it happens in all communities within Lagos. He explained that non-indigenes registered to vote in Elegushi will partake in the voting process, reiterating that they will not leave the house to vote by 2 a.m., so they ought to be in their house. Voting starts by 8 a.m., and there is a police curfew for midnight on election day. We are not doing anything different from what the police have done. It will just commence 2 days earlier, the monarch's spokesman explained. People should stop speculating rumors or being mischievous about Orò rites. It is not interfering with the process of the election. Residents can move about from morning till 11:30 p.m. Benjamin Hundian, the police spokesman in Lagos, said this on the matter: "Do you want to talk about rumor or you want to talk about facts? I am not engaging in hearsay. They have the freedom to say whatever they want to say. I will not engage in speculation," Mr. Hundian said. President-elect Bola Tinubu of the All Progressives Congress lost to Peter Obi of the Labour Party in Edi-Orsur local government area. Mr. Obi polled 42,388 votes, while Mr. Tinubu had 15,317.